Yeah.
So is that really going to be on the internet? Hold on. I should fix my hair.
Fix your hair. Meanwhile, this is Brent and friends.
And friends. How much do you hate when someone waves to the camera?
And that one is Mr. Moravčík.
No jak jsou taky ty show, aby si... No jasně. Ty vole, abych se zabila ty lidi. Nejlepší je tato paní, co by u nás 12 takhle. Ona je se mnou a ona, já říkám, paní Šermová, já jsem si ona. A ty, já jsem vás zabila, tak jo. Ale já bych se zabila, ty vole. Tak to je funny. You are so not gonna sell this video because it's so boring.
I'm gonna sell it. I do a DVD.
Are you gonna like change like hats and?
Do we get any money from that too? Or?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the deal then? So, I get 50% of it.
I'm not sure that's enough.
Okay.
I mean, it's enough what I'm shooting for
Your idea,
60%.